So someone asked there, how did I do that Darce choke from bottom side control? A couple people messaged me about it, and a couple people, even a guy commented on the video, right? So I do a quick little tutorial here with Adam. So I go bottom side control here, and this is where we are for a normal traditional side control. The first thing you're going to do is shoot this left hand as an underhook to the far side of his body. My right hand then is going to make a fist and clamp onto his underhook here. From here, I push him and start scooting out from underneath him. My left hand is going to control the posture of his head so he can't posture up. I might even put my head here, just in case he is posturing up a little bit. I can be fighting and controlling his posture. My right arm is then going to scoop underneath his neck as I claw in my Darce choke grip. From here, walk into him, knock him on the side, and then I'm going to scoot in, grab the leg, get it hooked, and as soon as it's hooked, it's going to be over, squeeze and get the tap. If he doesn't let me hook him and he's walking away, it's going to be very, very hard to finish the choke like this. You really do want to get the hook. If you can't hook it, you're going to need to get on top or bail on the submission. So there's a couple of different ways you can do things to then get on top, finish here. If you ever can't finish the Darce on top, you can then also bail, roll over, and finish the Darce on bottom and switch between them. So I'll do one more time, short recap of it. I'll just move through it a little bit faster. So from here, underhook, overhook, and push, control the posture, wrap the neck, knock him down, get the legs hooked, and get the tap. So it's a quick explanation of how to do that Darce choke from bottom side control.